anaconda, anaconda, it's a snake, K, python, thun. Can I turn it off? I would put it on low, 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 low. I want to buy a microphone, but I am poor. I'm not poor. That's the first lesson you learn from Rich Dad Poor Dad. You are not poor. So asking yourself, telling yourself you are poor and you cannot buy, you need to ask yourself, how can I afford a microphone? And the answer will come to you once you think this way. How can I afford a microphone? For now, I'm just don't do that, cause I want to launch it on launch the Python. All right. Python practice. We have been inactive. Desktop. Let's see here. On the other side of this story, we have to, there is no other chance. We have to go, well, our ChatGPT is already there. You want to open up LeetCode, which I'm doing right away. Well done. Let's look at our problem list. Hopefully we have to be signed in already, which is the case. And so let's go to our problems, or to our solutions. So zigzag conversion is the one we want to do. Let's see what's up, guys. No. This one should be closed. Why did I do that? Doesn't matter. Okay. What is zigzag conversion? So it's probably bing, 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 bing. String PayPal is hiring is written in a zigzag pattern. How? On a given number of rows like this. You may want to display this pattern in a fixed font for better legibility. What is a fixed font? I don't know. PayPal is hiring. So pay, then you go, there is a middle line, there is a top line and underline. So PayPal is hiring. Okay. And then read line by line. Okay, that should be what? Pan. Oh, okay. Pan. Then you read the 3 lines. Pan. Apsigria. Okay, whatever. Write the code that will take a string and make this conversion given a number of rows. What do you mean number of rows? Well, number of rows should be always 3. Convert the string S into number of rows. For example, that's the first example we already had. PayPal is hiring, number rows 4, because the answer should be PayPal. Why is it the row 3? Because it's going diagonally, so it goes to the line 3. I see. And then the answer will be PinAlsig. Yahra, P-I. Sounds Arabic. Well, we don't have P in Arabic. But Yahra. Example 3. S equals A, number, wow, that, let go, don't be lazy, man. So, that should not be very difficult, right? Damn, I'm so happy. We have ChatGPT now. So let's see what are we doing. We have a string. Yes, right. This is our string. And then we have a number of rows, right? So it's S1 to Sn. For example, of rows is m, so we want to do S1 to Sm. Then we come to the line m minus 1, Sm plus 1, then Sm plus 2, then Sm plus 3, up to, what is this? S2m minus 1, right? Yeah, it's S2m minus 1. Then we go down, right? S2m. So, okay, first we want to write this. Somebody may say we can find the indexes. Probably we can, right? So it is line 1 and if we use some intelligence here, probably in the code, we will end up being happier. Line 1, line 2, up to line m. So we have S1, S2, Sm. Maybe it is worth using the intelligence, m minus 1. Then we have Sm plus 1. And we have to remove the spaces. That's the good part, you know? Yes. So what is number? I feel they should add up to 2m, right? Yes. 2m minus 3, right? So minus 1. So m minus 1 and 1 will be m minus 3 and 3. Yeah, that's it. S2 m minus 2, S2m minus 1. Right? I'm using a lot of Persian words here. Alright. Understood? And now it should be S2m, 2m plus 1. How many? M minus 2 plus 2m is 3m minus 2, I will say. No, because m minus 2 plus 2, m minus 3. And then it will be S3m minus 2. I think the rest is just a repeat. So how many lines we added here? It will be like m minus 1, right? Added to this, it will go this way all the way to s 4m minus 3. This will be s 3m minus 3. This will be s 4m minus 2 minus 4, sorry, 4m minus 5, right? So what are the first line? Shit. And it will, because after that it will be just the what do they call it in English, a sequence with equal distances, right? So we have s1, s2m minus 1, s4m minus 3, and if we look at it, the distance between indexes is 2m minus 2, right? Line 1. Line 2 will be what if the number of rows are, like, for example, small, right? What if m is 2? So we go to s2 and then s3. I think it works still. Let's assume it works. S2, S2m minus 2, well, for, which is good, S3, and then, yeah, it is working. And what is the next one? S2m, and we have S4m minus 4. So, and then we have S4m minus 2. That is another thing. So it is 2m minus 4. It will be 2m minus 2 every time. Not really. These are 2m minus 2s. Yeah. So we have two subsequents that they are also, sorry, and this one, they are 2m minus 2. So first line, third line was also 2m minus 2. Okay, let's check the third line. We have S3, we have S2m minus 3, and we have S2m plus 1, and then we have S4m minus 5, and then we have minus 2 minus 1, S4m minus 1, right? And then we can see again that this is 2m minus 2, right? And these are also 2m minus 2. What? 2m minus 2. So, so first line, so this is the third line. Let's also analyze the m minus 1 and, well, we need to analyze m minus k. Well, let's see, line m, so there is this 2m minus 2 behavior, but we need to notice that first line has a different behavior from second and third line, right? In second line, third line, and probably all the lines between 2 and m minus 1, we have these two subsequences. But in the last line and first line, we always have this 2m minus, only one subsequence. So line m minus 1, we have Sm minus 1, Sm plus 1, S3m minus 3, and S3 m minus 1, exactly. In a sense, first and last row are kind of very helpful to get the index for other rows, right? Okay. So again, we have these two subsequents, m minus 1 and this one, which have 2m minus 2. And the between will be m, these two will be 6m minus 1. Okay, I think it's not very difficult. And then let's use it one more time. Sm is easy. Sm, S3m minus 2, S5m minus 4. So what will be the line I, which is in between 1 and m, right? So line I has SI for sure, right? We have SI, and then we have S2m minus 1, S2m minus I. Perfect. Then we have S plus 2m minus 2, 2m minus 2 plus I, and then we have S 4m minus 2 minus I, right? So these two and these two. Perfect. And by the way, I for 1 and m also magically works because S1 is 2m minus 1. Again, like for I, when I is 1 or 2m or m, you can see that these two middles match each other because 2m minus 1 and 2m minus 2 plus 1 will be the equal, right? These two. And then we have 4m minus 3, which is 3, right? Perfect. So we found it. Kind of, we found the formula. Now we have line I, each line. Then what is left? And just we put the lines next to each other, right? Yeah, sounds good. Let's see if I can write down the syntax myself. Oh. So it's zigzag conversion. And rename and class solution. Classes start with uppercase. Why doesn't it have any? Should I write class with? Yep. Okay. And class solution. Then we want to define a function in the class diff. What is it? Zigzag conversion. I will call it zigzag until later. So what is it taking? Self and string. It takes string s, str, and then what else it's taking? N. Well, we said m, which is the number of rows, which is an integer, and we are returning a string and semicolon. So let's say n is was it len of s? Dude, that's it. Once you don't code for a long time, len, I think it is len of s. Then you wanna for k in range of 1. The fucked up thing is that I started with s1 to sn. That while we know in coding it's always 0 to n minus 1. So we need to fix that part. I think everything just shifts by -1, right? Yeah, exactly. Range of 1 and n. Well, it is n included, so not included. And we want do we want to have a matrix of like m rows? Sounds legit. For like not s. What are we calling the x output? P. Yeah, p is list. Well, how do I define a character list? Like we can have zeros, right? Do we have zeros? I have to make a list of strings, power length. Yeah. In Python. Wait a second. So third cell below. If I say A equals 5 times A, perfect. P equals M times then for K in range from 2 to M So what will be the index? K will be in the line and P. Then should I do mod M? I don't know. Mod 2M minus 2. No. Yeah, I should do 2M minus 2. What is the index? I wanna call I will be K. So we have I and we have two m minus I mod 2m minus I will be I will be I. Not too much. Also I, right? 2m minus I is also an. If oh, I is between 1 and n. That's why. So it's like 0m. Why doesn't it work? Who has a pen? Oh, you can just sum it. So it's 1, it will be yeah, S0 is 2m minus 2. So they should sum up to 2m minus 2. For k in range this, yeah, I wanna do k, I'm going crazy. Okay, fuck this. Let's make it simpler. So it's just it is S0, S1, S2, right? Sm minus 2, Sm minus 1, Sm. So they sum up to 2m minus 2. S2m, 2m minus 1, 2m minus what? That should be 2m minus 3, should be 2m minus 4, 2m minus 1, and then minus 4, minus 2 minus 2 plus 2m, m plus m minus 2, minus 4, 3m minus 3, right? Exactly. And then 2, exactly. So that's the new index based on this stupid computer science culture. And what are we going to do now? Each index of S, we I think we need to do it 2m minus 2. Do mode 2m minus 2. It's either less than m minus 1 or equal or more than less equal. Like for example, line I, it will be, okay, by the way, where is line I? Line I will be S I minus 1, right? And should sum of 2m minus 2. So it's 2m minus I minus 1, right? Exactly. And then we have 2m minus 2 plus this motherfucker is 2m minus 2 plus I minus 1, and then 4m minus I minus 3, something like that. And so we can have this once we do the mode by 2m minus 2. Then the line will be, right? Okay, first we get the k, we do the mode by 2m minus 2, then its line will be, okay, I have k, k mod 2m minus 2, so it will be a k between 0 and 2m minus 3. Then the line will be the same for the second bracket cluster, and then the line will be from this k we will get to k if it is less than m minus 1, it stays k, if it is greater than m up to 2m minus 3, it will be 2m minus 2 minus k. So if it is k 0, we will have 0. If it is m anything but 0, if it is m, it should be line m minus 1. It is m. Oh, it is line m minus 1, but we also know that the lines will be, so we change the indexes for s, letters of s, but let's change the elements for the indexes for the rows. So this is 0, this is 1, I minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 1. Perfect. So if this k is m, I should say m minus 2. Which one is m? This is k, m minus 2. Perfect. It is I minus 2m minus I minus 1. I should say I minus 1, right? 1. One will be I minus 1. Yes, that's it. So perfect. It was k, yeah, right? 5, for example, 3, 2, yeah. If k, let's call I, what am I calling I? I 2m minus 2. Let's call I, let's call I k mod 2m minus 2. And then if I less than m minus 1, m minus 1, nothing, just if I is great, keep it I, right? If I is greater than m, greater than or equal m, then I want you to call it I, change it to 2 times m minus 2 minus I, and so now what are we doing? Now we want to call P I less than m. We want to say P I, make it Pi plus a new letter. sk. Fuck, okay, we should also okay, and if then I wanna make pi p actually 2m minus 2 minus I same shit. Plus sk, right? And that's it. Let's check k if what about line 0? Like line line 0, how does that work? I is 0, yeah. I think it works. Okay, fuck it. And then what are we going to do? Just summing p's. Then end return for j in range for not j, for t in range of m sorry, I don't know, L, call L is L P, okay, L is, for example, empty, and then L will be L plus P 0 PPT, and then we want to return L. Yes. Okay, perfect. And let's check. PayPal is hiring. X is class solution. I'm pretty sure I wrote solution wrong, and user should be class solution. Then I wanna say x dot zigzag of PayPal is hiring and 3 Pahna, is it the same shit? Pan Apples IIG YIR. Yeah, sounds, it's working. The name of the function should be convert and so self s, and then we want to change it to num rows. Fuck that. Should I? Is it necessary? Okay, and submit. You speed up. The code is pretty good. What? Okay. Just for line 1 it's not working. I don't give a fuck about it. All the test cases are happy. Well, why is it wrong then? Yeah, when M is 1, perfect. M is 1. That is your problem, don't fuck. When M is 1, what should we do? Keeping the same shit. Yeah. Right? Yeah. If M is 1, return S. Accepted. Perfect. Runtime beats very good. Why is this wrong? You are wrong, motherfucker. Woo! We wrote a pretty good code. Why? Because, well, what is this? How is that? The numbers changed? Oh, because it's not checking with every data set. Dude, this is for the previous result. What is wrong? So that's it. Okay, that's also done. The red thing is done. So better than half of the codes. Analyze complexity, what is that? Very beautiful. I love LeetCode. It is pretty. Okay. Well, we did it, guys. Thank you for doing this code. In the middle, it was getting a bit annoying changing the indexes, but we made it. Like it was a medium, right? It was a medium problem, and we did it easily. It's just a matter of simple division, playing with indexes. There is nothing very deep in these codes, to be honest. Like, we are not doing a project, that's what I mean. I mean, basic, simple high school mathematics. Hopefully we finish the fucking ML and then we start project on machine learning. Perfecto. Stop it right now.